Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be using primary colors blue, red and yellow, and I'm using the brand Artist Loft. Guys, I mix my paint, 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. It gives a consistency of a warm honey. For this technique, I don't want to have the paint too thick. As you can see, I layer the paint in the cup and then I pour it out. So I just didn't want to have it too thin or too thick. I've been asked this question a lot on Instagram about, what paint I use and how I mix my paint. Guys, I do have a mixing video on my YouTube channel of how I mix my paint for a particular technique. But I always do try to stress, each technique you need different consistency in the paint. All right, some technique the paint has to be a little bit on the thicker side, some a more flowy, more thinner consistency. So just go ahead guys and do check out my playlist, because you will see basically I explain a lot on my older videos about the consistency in your paint. All right, so in today's video guys, I am using like I said, the primary colors blue, yellow and red. I did add a bit of a green in here as well, and black. And that white that you see guys, it's not white, it's actually glitter paint by Fluidart. It's gonna dry beautiful. It's a beautiful coarse texture glitter, really nice, you guys. I pour it in the cup because sometimes when you use already poured paint, it has a bit of a clump to it. You just want to make sure that it flows right. There's nothing in it that's going to obstruct your flow of paint, right? Because if you do have bits and pieces in your paint when you're spreading it out or when you're spinning it out, it's gonna ruin your pattern or stuff like that. It gets better with practice guys. The more you do this, the more you'll understand, the better you will be at it. You gotta have to watch some more videos and just just go with it. All right, I do hope you guys enjoy this video, and of course if you have any question for me, go ahead and shoot it in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, I want to say thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit that like button if you do enjoy this video. Share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, so don't you go away.